Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to properly crimp a network cable and test it using a cable tester. Whether you are setting up home network, office network, or even learning networking basics, this is an essential skill every IT professional should know. For this you will need an Ethernet cable. It could be Cat5 or Cat6 cable. You would also need a crimping tool. I have a pair of scissors with me. Here I have a LAN tester, you can call it cable tester, and then RJ45. First, take your Ethernet cable and strip about 1 inch or more of the outer jacket using your crimping tool. Inside you will find a twisted pair of wires. Untwist them carefully and arrange them according to the T568A wiring standard. Straighten the wires and arrange them according to the color code. The wire order from the left to the right should be green and white, green, orange and white, blue, blue and white, orange, brown and white, brown. Straighten them and make sure that they are well aligned, and then use a pair of scissors to cut them and be sure that the edges are equal. Then you get your RJ45, you put them into the RJ45. So pushing the wires to the end or two of the RJ45, make sure it gets to that metal pin at the end of the connector, and ensure that the wire arrangements are still the same before crimping. Insert the RJ connector into the crimping tool and squeeze the handle firmly until the connector is fully crimped. The metal pin inside the connector will pierce the wire and create electrical contact. So repeat the same process on the other end of the cable. Make sure you use the same wiring standard. Once you're done crimping both ends of your Ethernet cable, get your cable tester and insert the two ends of the cable into the tester. After that, turn on the cable tester. If you have all lights blinking or all light turned on in the cable tester, that means you have successfully crimped an Ethernet cable. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.